What if I told you that 2025 is bringing home gadgets so advanced, so unbelievably useful that once you see them, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them? We're talking about home gadgets that do the work for you, transform the way you live, and turn everything into effortless convenience. In this video, we're testing 7 insane home gadgets you need in 2025, and some of these will blow your mind. First up, we have the LG Styler Steam Closet, basically a dry cleaner inside your house. You toss in your wrinkled, smelly clothes, hit a button, and steam blasts out, smoothing wrinkles and freshening everything like magic. No ironing, no weird chemical smells, just crisp, fresh clothes in under 30 minutes. It kills 99.9% of germs, so your clothes aren't just clean, they're practically sterile. But there's a catch. This high-tech laundry cheat code comes in at around $1,400. Is it worth it? If you hate laundry, this is a must-have gadget for you. It's basically a cheat code for looking fresh. But if you're cool with ironing and don't mind the occasional dry cleaning run, you might want to save your cash. Coming in at number 2 is the Fisto Kucha. This gadget is a full-on smart home command center disguised as furniture. It has 12 insane features built right into the frame, turning it into the ultimate smart station. Need to cool down? It has a built-in fan. Want to set the mood? Customizable RGB lights. Want to blast music? It's got a Bluetooth speaker right in the armrest. And you know how you always lose your charger? Not anymore. It comes with a Qi wireless charging built right in, so you can just toss your phone down and boom, charging. It also has a sleek fold-out workstation that gives you the perfect surface for laptops, tablets, or even full-on PC setups. But my personal favorite has to be the hidden snacks compartment. Because, let's be honest, what's the point of having the ultimate couch setup if you still have to get up to grab snacks? At $399, this gadget is an absolute steal. But no matter how nice your setup is, if your floors are dirty, your house just feels off. That's why most of us have robot vacuums. But here's the problem, they suck at stairs. Not anymore. All thanks to the Migo Ascender. This home gadget is not just a robot vacuum, it's a stair-climbing, multi-level cleaning machine. It effortlessly moves up and down stairs on its own. It doesn't need help, doesn't need to be carried, it just goes. It does this by using an advanced wheel and track system that lets it scale stairs while staying perfectly balanced. It doesn't matter if you have carpet, hardwood, or tile, it adapts. Once it reaches a new floor, it scans the area, maps out the space, and gets to work. It uses AI-powered smart navigation to make sure it hits every single corner of your home with precision cleaning. Now, at $799, this is definitely not the cheapest robot vacuum out there. But considering it's the only one that can clean your entire house without any help, it's definitely worth it. Next on our list of insane gadgets is the Pusian BT100. This isn't your average shower head, it's the future of clean. Let's start with the most insane part. It magnetizes your water. Yeah, you heard me? This thing uses a patented magnetized counterspin water revitalizer to turn regular tap water into ionized, ultra-pure, skin-revitalizing water. Why does that matter? Because regular water is loaded with invisible impurities, rust, and harsh minerals that wreck your skin and hair. But the Pusian BT100 transforms your water into something completely different. The moment you turn it on, it removes rust, sediment, and microscopic impurities, leaving only pure, ultra-soft, magnetized water that hydrates your skin instead of drying it out. The signature microplate technology blasts out a high-pressure, ultra-fine mist that makes regular showers feel like a weak drizzle. And it actually uses 35% less water than a conventional shower head. At this point, if you're still using a regular shower head, you're missing out on the best shower experience on Earth. The price is very affordable, coming in at around $170. Next, we have the SwitchBot lock, which turns any regular lock into a smart one without any expensive installations, drilling, or needing professional help. You just stick it on, sync it up, and your door is now fully automated. With this little gadget, you have 4 insanely easy ways to get inside. First up, passcodes. You can set custom codes for family, friends, or one-time guests. Say goodbye to hiding the spare key under the mat. Next, fingerprint sensor. Just touch the sensor and the door unlocks in under a second. You can also use an NFC card. Tap your badge and you're in. And for the ultimate convenience, app control. Lock and unlock your door from anywhere in the world. You can buy this right now for just $104 on Amazon. I think I'm going to get one for myself. Alright, so far we've covered security, cleaning, relaxation, and even water quality. But this next gadget is about to change your life. Meet the AI Motion Pillow, the smartest, most amazing pillow you've ever seen. This isn't just some fluffy headrest. This home gadget is powered by an AI motion system that literally listens to your sleep. Yes, you heard that right. It records your sleep time, tracks your snoring, and then learns your patterns. And here's where it gets crazy. After a short learning period, this pillow doesn't just detect your snoring, it actually fixes it. The second you start snoring, it pinpoints your head position and inflates tiny built-in airbags to gently shift your head to the side. At $699, it's definitely a premium sleep upgrade. So, if you or someone you know sounds like a chainsaw at night, this might be the best investment ever. So, which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to see more insane tech like this, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell.